I think Cora's ready for the holidays too. Are you here to help me bake, Cora? You wanted to dress up too. Hello, welcome to another episode of Taki's World. I'm Chris and I will be showing you guys how to make Christmas themed cupcakes. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The things you will need to make your Christmas themed cupcakes will be baking trays, ice cream cones, cake mix, a mixing bowl, a strainer, M&Ms, white, red, and green frosting, vegetable oil, and a piping bag. Let's get started. This part is optional, but if you want your trees to have a little bit of snow, you could use some powdered sugar. We're going to start off by putting in our wet ingredients first. And then we're going to use this to evenly put in our cake mix powder so there are no lumps. Because Santa don't like lumps in his cake. That was easy. Make sure this is clean for the optional part for your powdered sugar. I forgot to put them in the what you need, but it's a no-brainer. But don't forget to add your 3 eggs while mixing it in a hand mixer, a whisk, or a KitchenAid. Once your cake batter is mixed in together, you're going to put them in your baking cups and bake them for at least 22 to 28 minutes. I actually found these Christmas themed cupcakes at Walmart, but you can use any type you want. We're going to start by putting in our baking cups in our trays. You get your little scooper, and then you're going to pour in your batter, but not too much, but just enough. Don't want any accidents. Once you finish putting in your batter in your baking cups, you're going to pop them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Well, you know, Santa has a little bit of reindeer, so I figured I'd have some reindeers too. She is here to help me bake. Isn't that right, Cora? You like Christmas too. You like Christmas, Cora? Aww, I guess she's more a Halloween fan. Once your cupcakes have been completely cooled, it's time for my favorite part of this video. It's time to decorate. We're going to be using our green frostings for the trees and the wreath, our red frosting for Santa's hat and the white frosting for the fluff that goes around it. We'll start by using a red frosting and making Santa's hat with 3 swirls. Then we're gonna use our white frosting to cover the edges, because that's what's basically around the hat. And you can't forget the little ball point. Our next cupcake will be our Christmas wreath. Now, I've never really done a bow, but I heard that you gotta do it like an infinity sign. And then not bad for my first try. Our next one is going to be a pretty tricky one. We're going to do at least 2 to 3 different types. I want to try making one big tree using nothing but frosting. Then you're going to add some chocolate beans, but I got some M&Ms. Make sure to use the colorful ones and to use the back side so that the M's don't show. Don't forget to add the little star on top. It ain't Christmas tree without a Christmas star. And here's your other Christmas tree. Just kidding. You're going to frost this green and make it look like a taller version of the Christmas tree. And now we're going to do a little bit of a bigger tree using a regular ice cream cone. You're going to just dab it. Try to cover the whole thing green. Just be careful with your fingers. Although, to be expected, I think you might get dirty doing this. Could look like me. M&Ms to give it that structure so it doesn't tip over. And put some more frosting so that it sticks as a glue. 1, 2. Stay. Oh my god, my hands. They're so dirty. Somewhat difficult pop. We're gonna give it some leaves or branches, if you want to call them that. Just spike them up. You're going to use your other thingamajig to pour into your Christmas tree with your powdered sugar. We're making it snow, guys. We're making it snow, snow, snow. Forecast did not say anything about snow today, but our Christmas tree does. Let's look at that, guys. Look at that. Doesn't it look pretty? The next one we're going to do is make another Christmas tree, but an indoors one. But you're gonna cut off a little more by dipping it into some water and waiting for it to get soggy so it could be easier to tear off. And then you're just going to do the repeat process but without the powdered sugar. Top. Our last cupcake will be a snowflake cupcake. Just remember, snow isn't perfect, so it's okay to have some fun with this one. Doesn't that look like a snow patch? And some fallen snowflakes. Here we have our Christmas themed cupcakes. Got your outdoor Christmas tree, Santa's hats, miniature tree, a wreath, snowflakes, indoor Christmas tree, and ornament. If you guys enjoyed watching me make these Christmas themed cupcakes, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on any other future videos you'd like me to bake. Until then, happy holidays and good night.